Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to restore contacts in your Google account in your Realme devices. It is very simple. Before proceeding the video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it and like the video for more videos. So let's start. First you have to just go to the settings option in your smartphone, then scroll down. You can see there is the option Google. Tap on it. It is very simple, and you can choose whatever your ID is and just click on the all services option, and then you can just scroll down. You can see there is an option of setup and restore option. Just click on it. It has three options. This interface will appear, and just click on the restore content option, and it will show this that no contacts to return. Just you have to just sync this setting, and you have to sync this option, and it will be synced contacts if you have. It is very simple, like this. I hope this your video will help you. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like the video for more videos. Thanks for watching.